Up for sale today, I got a 75 Corvette Stingray, white with a medium red interior. It's number matching L48. Power steering, power disc brakes, power windows, factory air conditioning, tilt, telescopic steering wheel, rally wheels. You know, it's got a little bit in this area, some touch-ups and some chips. It's a low mile, 77,000 original mile car. Like I said, it's number matching L48. It's a nice driver. It has its original factory interior. You know, it's got some stuff here and there. A couple of things there, a couple of things there. It's all there though. Door panels are nice. The seats are nice. There is a small little tear on the driver's seat. I will show you that. The carpet's good. Like I said, all the interior is original. You got the power windows work. All the lights work, all the gauges work. One gauge might not work, I don't remember, I'll have it in the description. Dash pad is nice. T-top car. Oh, yo. So. The back half of the car doesn't have very many imperfections, actually. There's like a smudge there. It's a 3-owner. Previous owner of 4 years. Previous owner before that of 15 years. Previous owner before that from new. Automatic. It'll be up for sale soon. We are negotiable on our price. It'll be priced right. NextGenClassicCars.com or on my eBay store. Both links will be in the description. There's the little rip I was telling you about. It's on like the seam. And a little tiny little poke hole right there. But other than that, seats are nice. If you're just looking for a good driver, a good cruiser that's not too expensive, but you want a Corvette, this is the car for you. You know, you can be a cruiser in a C2, but you gotta shell out $40,000. That's the only thing. So, like I said, it'll be for sale soon on eBay and my website. Check it out. If you want to see more cars for sale, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for checking everything out, and I'll show you the driving video now. Thank you. Oh, I hate that buzzer. Like I said, it's definitely been rebuilt at some point. You can see how clean it is. New valves, the new top of the motor. Runs nice, sounds good, smooth. Alright, I'll show you the video now.